Far too many creators, hobbyists, and engineers these days struggle with slow, unreliable 3D printing, battling failed prints, tedious calibration, and agonizing wait times without even realizing the new generation of printers has solved these problems. Upgrading to a modern CoreXY 3D printer will transform your prototyping and production in ways you didn't know were possible. This is because the best 3D printers now go far beyond simple extrusion. They deliver blistering speed, flawless multicolor output, and truly hands-off operation. And we have the top-tier options ready and waiting. But first of all, make sure to use our links because they're going to take you directly to the latest discounts for every product we talk about. Let's go. Our number one pick, the FlashForge AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. This model takes the crown by mastering the most sought-after frontier in consumer 3D printing: seamless, efficient multicolor output. The AD5X isn't just a fast printer, it's an integrated color solution. Its CoreXY architecture is engineered for the precision required at 600 millimeters per second, ensuring that intricate color changes don't result in layer shifts or artifacts. The one-click auto-leveling and 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder provide the reliable, high-temperature foundation needed for a wide material palette. But the true magic is in its dedicated multicolor system, which allows for complex, vibrant prints without the waste and hassle of external MMU units. For the creator, designer, or entrepreneur who views color as critical to their work, whether for prototypes, detailed models, or final products, the FlashForge AD5X stands alone. It delivers precision, staggering speed, and transformative multicolor capability in one formidable package. Now, at number 2, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. Stepping up within the Adventurer line, the 5M Pro takes convenience to a professional level with its groundbreaking one-click auto printing system. This feature represents a massive leap in accessibility, automating the entire setup process to get from file to printing with minimal user intervention. It retains the exceptional 600 millimeters per second high-speed capability and the quick-detach 280 degrees Celsius nozzle of its sibling, but packages it within an even more refined workflow. The CoreXY all-metal structure ensures that this speed doesn't come at the cost of accuracy. As a true multifunctional tool in a compact 220 millimeters cubed footprint, the Adventurer 5M Pro is the ultimate choice for educators, busy workshops, or anyone who values maximum output with absolutely minimal setup time. Moving to number 3, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. Now for a feature-packed powerhouse ready to perform straight out of the box, we have the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. This printer emphasizes a premium, complete user experience, starting with its robust 500 millimeters per second CoreXY speed foundation. It includes a high-temperature 320 degrees Celsius nozzle, capable of handling advanced engineering materials like PACF or PETCF that require extra heat. The built-in camera is a significant quality-of-life upgrade, allowing you to monitor prints remotely for peace of mind. Combined with comprehensive auto-calibration, the Centauri Carbon is designed to deliver precision and efficiency from the very first power-on. Its 256 millimeters cubed build space offers ample room for larger projects, making it a superb all-rounder for demanding hobbyists and professionals seeking a capable, ready-to-print workhorse. Number 4, the Creality K2 SE Combo 3D Printer. Next, we look at the Creality K2 SE, a machine that brings the exciting world of multicolor printing to a more accessible platform. Its key innovation is the CFS, or Creality Filament System, which supports multi-material and multicolor prints without the need for a vastly more expensive standalone system. It matches impressive 500 millimeters per second print speeds with a solid metal frame that dampens noise and enhances precision. The smart auto-leveling ensures consistent quality, and the machine comes fully assembled, embodying a true next-gen ethos with its advanced extruder design. With a versatile 220 by 215 by 245 millimeter build volume, the K2 SE Combo is for the maker who wants to explore vibrant, multicolor creations without sacrificing the speed and reliability Creality is known for. Number 5. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. We'll get this show on the road in the high-speed printing domain with the Adventurer 5M from FlashForge. This machine is built around a robust CoreXY all-metal structure, providing the stability needed for its maximum 600 millimeters per second print speeds, a dramatic leap over traditional bedslinger designs that can struggle with vibration at high velocity. Its fully automatic leveling system removes the single biggest headache in 3D printing, ensuring a perfect first layer every time you start a job. The 280 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, paired with a clever 3-second detachable nozzle, makes maintenance and material swaps incredibly straightforward, minimizing downtime. With a solid 220 millimeters cubed build volume and a focus on user-friendly, reliable performance, the Adventurer 5M is an outstanding gateway into the world of high-speed, hassle-free 3D printing. There you have it. The top 5 3D printers on Amazon pushing the boundaries of speed, color, and automation. From the user-friendly Speed Demon to the integrated multicolor champion, one of these machines is the perfect engine to power your next creation. Remember to check the links below for the best available deals. It's time to stop waiting and start printing at the speed of your ideas. Thanks for watching.